strip away all the technological complications of a modern car, and the weight that comes with it, and add in a playfully tuned rear-wheel drive chassis, a revamped engine, and a crisp shifting manual transmission, and you have a recipe for driving enjoyment that's refreshingly pure. The Mazda MX-5 Miata offers precisely that. Available as either the classic soft-top convertible or the retractable miʻɑːtə Power F model, the Miata holds a special place in the hearts of driving enthusiasts like us for its simple, back-to-basics ethos. It's not a practical buy. Don't expect vast cargo space in the Miata's small trunk, but we can't keep ourselves from daydreaming about riding off into the sunset in this 10 best award-winning gem. High's preternatural handling, satisfying to drive, top goes down, good fuel economy. Low's firm ride, Roadster is loud inside, dearth of storage space. Verdict: who needs practicality in the best affordable sports car ever? What's new for 2018? A number of enhancements mark 2018 for Mazda's Halo sports car. Soft-top models are now available with a darkered cloth top, a dark brown leather interior, and 4 new paint colors: Soul Red Crystal, Machine Grey Metallic, Snowflake White Pearl Mica, and Eternal Blue Mica. The hardtop RF model also can be painted in the new red, white, and blue colors. Both models benefit from an improvement in standard features: a 7.0-inch infotainment display with rotary controller, HD radio compatibility, and a proximity key with push-button starter, all gratis regardless of trim or model, and club trims now have heated seats as standard. The soft-top Roadster receives a retuned rear suspension and a revised power steering system. Both models have redesigned sun visors. What was new for 2017? The RF that's retractable fastback joined the soft-top Roadster in the 4th generation Miata lineup, bringing with it a power-operated coupe mimicking hard roof that lowers into the area behind the seats, along with extra refinements. Some of the RF's enhancements made their way into the 2017 Roadster, namely its quieter manual transmission, retuned steering, and full-color driver information display in the gauge cluster. Trims and options we'd choosing between hardtop and softtop models is not a decision we'd be able to make easily, since both have their benefits and drawbacks. We'd suggest the club trim, since it features a host of performance upgrades versus the base model that give the Miata even more capability, such as sports suspension with Bilstein shock absorbers, limits lip differential, 17-inch wheels and tires, front strower brace. Our soft-top Miata wears a $30,045 price tag, but for those enamored with the RF's unique target-up style, the club trim carries a $32,800 asking price. We prefer, and highly recommend, the crisp shifting 6-speed manual transmission. A thoroughly competent 6-speed automatic is available for an extra $600 in either model. The Miata's engine revs eagerly and is powerful enough to deliver stirring acceleration. Exploring the engine's high-revving personality is encouraged by the direct, easy-to-shift manual transmission. Even the optional automatic impresses, with quick shifts and sporty programming. What's new for 2018? Mazda hasn't fussed with the Miata's powertrain for 2018, so our performance testing below applies to these newer models as well. 2017 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Although the Miata's 155 horsepower 2.0-litre 4-cylinder might appear weak by modern standards, keep in mind that it doesn't contend with much car. The engine thus feels appropriately zoomy, and its revamped nature is exaggerated on stick-shift models by a featherweight flywheel that lets it respond instantly to every twitch of your right foot. Aside from some mid-range buzz, the engine sounds nice at high revs and stands atop the class's refinement ladder, above the grainy flat fare in the Subaru Toyota 86 Twins and the laggy, turbocharged Linfa that powers the MX-5's mechanical alter ego, the Fiat 124 Spider. Chalk up another W in the Miata's column for its lightweight. With such a small amount of car to haul around, the 2.0-litre engine squeaks out relatively high EPA fuel economy numbers and outperforms them in the real world. What's new for 2018? With no changes to the miӓtə's shape or internals, the EPA has carried over its ratings to 2018. We expect our real-world results to maintain as well. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. Both the Mazda Roadster and the miӓtə RF exceeded their estimated highway fuel economy figures on our test loop. The numbers of both miӓtəs fall just short of best-in-class behind their fraternal twin, albeit with a smaller engine, the Fiat 124 Spider. The miӓtə is not a furiously fast car, but the driving experience is nonetheless supremely satisfying. Its handling limits are higher than those of many average cars, yet it's the way it communicates available grip to the driver through progressive body lean and steering feedback that endears it most. Experienced drivers enjoy how easy it is to exploit the Mazda's handling, and beginners can easily be taught to drive fast in one thanks to its balanced rear drive chassis and friendly behavior. What's new for 2018? We haven't had the chance to try out the soft-top miӓtə's revised rear suspension or power steering system yet, so we'll reserve judgment until that day comes. Despite these changes, the miӓtə's performance at our test tracks should be very similar to the 2016 and 2017 models we've already tested. Acceleration: the miÄtə is not a powerful car, nor is it Porsche fast, yet it out-accelerates its immediate competitors by being the lightest in its class. Beyond the numbers, the engine delivers its power more smoothly than the flat-four shared by the BRZ and the 86, which suffers from a frustrating mid-range dip in torque, or the turbo engine in the 124 Spider, which is hampered by low turbo lag. The Mazda's power builds linearly, peaking near redline, allowing for precise throttle adjustments and effortless rev-matched downshifts on manual transmission cars. Ride, handling, and steering: miätə's ride firmly and can get bouncy over a quick succession of bumps. The mid-level club's firmest shocks and springs return the stiffer stride of the lineup, although no miätə rides poorly. The handling is eager, and the miätə changes direction promptly. We especially enjoy the light, tactile steering. It responds immediately and keeps the driver informed of what the front tires are doing. This is a fun car, plain and simple. Braking: all miätə's stop well, with firm pedal response and good feel. More important, the brake pedal is close to the accelerator, positioned just right for toe downshifts on manual transmission models.